Oil or illusion? The Jamaican prospect. Welcome to Jamaica Bulletin Board, where we keep you in the loop of what's going on in Jamaica at this time. And remember, smile because life is too serious to take seriously. Today, we're diving deep, but hopefully not too deep, into Jamaica's oil prospects, asking the question on everyone's mind: are we on the brink of an energy revolution, or just chasing dreams on a slippery slope? The big pitch is, Jamaica might be sitting on up to 7 billion barrels of oil, according to United Oil and Gas. That's right, 7 billion barrels, enough to turn Jamaica into a Caribbean energy powerhouse. The Walton Morant Block, stretching off our southern coast, is said to have similar geological features to Guyana and Namibia, which struck oil and never looked back. Sounds great, right? Well, here's the catch: not a single well has been drilled yet. The talk is big, the figure's impressive, but until someone spends $50 million to actually punch a hole in the ocean floor, all we've got is speculation. Investors are hesitant, possibly waiting for a sweeter deal, or maybe just worried the odds aren't as good as they sound. Jamaica's gamble. Now, Guyana's drilling success came with risks, but it paid off. The question is, should Jamaica take the plunge? The odds of striking oil are estimated to be 1 in 3, which honestly isn't bad. But if the world believed in those odds, wouldn't the money already be pouring in? Some Jamaicans believe the oil is already there, just waiting for someone to dig deep enough. Others wonder if this whole thing is a mirage, another big dream with too many roadblocks. Let's face it, if oil were struck, the effects could be huge. Massive economic growth, goodbye debt? Possibly too. Lower gas prices, could we finally stop fearing the pump? Infrastructure improvements, less potholes? Maybe. But if no oil is found, well, that's $50 million down the drain. Doesn't take that much to fix one of those looming potholes. The way forward? Jamaica is at a crossroads. 1. Convince investors that this drill is worth the risk and push harder for funding. 2. Take the leap ourselves and prove viability before sweetening the deal. 3. Focus on renewable energy while keeping oil hopes alive. The safest play seems to be hedging bets. Invest in renewables while proving the oil potential. That way, we're not throwing everything into a high-risk gamble, but we're also not ignoring the opportunity. So, will Jamaica strike black gold, or just strike out? Let us know in the comments. That's your Jamaica Bulletin Board commentary for today. Like, share, subscribe, and tell us, is this the beginning of Jamaica's energy revolution or just a very expensive wish list? See you in the next one.